Our existence is not a grand design, but a series of cosmic accidents. It begins 13.8 billion years ago. The universe ignites. Pure energy rapidly cools, forging the first fundamental particles. Matter triumphs over antimatter by a tiny, crucial margin. Gravity begins to pull these particles into massive clouds of gas. Inside these cosmic nurseries, the very first stars are born. China remained an ally, but under strict Moscow leadership. Their deaths forged heavier elements, the building blocks of everything. This cosmic dust and gas formed a new generation of stars. Our sun, a stable, long-lasting star, perfect for nurturing life. Around this new star, leftover debris began to clump together. Planets formed, including a small rocky world in a special zone. Not too hot, not too cold, a place for liquid water. Early Earth was a molten, hostile, and volcanic world. A massive collision with another protoplanet changed everything. The debris from this impact formed our oversized, stabilizing moon. The moon's gravity stabilized Earth's wobble, creating stable seasons. As Earth cooled, water vapor condensed, and the first oceans formed. In these primordial oceans, a remarkable chemical reaction occurred. Non-living molecules combined to form the first self-replicating life. For billions of years, life remained as simple, single-celled organisms. Then, a new microbe evolved a game-changing skill: photosynthesis. This oxygen was toxic to most life, causing a mass extinction, but it paved the way for a new, more complex type of cell. This new cell could use oxygen to produce enormous amounts of energy. This energy surplus allowed cells to work together, becoming multicellular. Life exploded in diversity in the warm, shallow Cambrian seas. An ozone layer formed, protecting the surface from deadly UV radiation. This allowed the first brave plants to colonize the barren land. Fish evolved jaws, becoming more efficient predators in the ocean. Some lobe-finned fish developed bony fins, almost like primitive legs. These fins allowed them to crawl onto land for brief periods. Over millions of years, these pioneers evolved into true amphibians. The evolution of the amniotic egg freed them from the water. Reptiles flourished, leading to the age of the dinosaurs. While dinosaurs ruled the day, a new type of creature emerged at night. These were the first mammals, warm-blooded, furry, and adaptable. Then, 66 million years ago, another cosmic accident changed the world. The asteroid impact caused a mass extinction, wiping out the dinosaurs. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals had their chance to take over. They diversified rapidly, filling every ecological niche on the planet. One group of mammals, the primates, took to the trees. Life in the trees required good vision, grasping hands, and big brains. Climate change turned African forests into open savannas. Forced from the trees, some apes began to walk on two legs. Bipedalism freed the hands for carrying tools and food. This feedback loop drove brain size to increase dramatically. The genus Homo emerged, our direct ancestors, the first true humans. The control of fire was a major turning point in our history. Cooking food unlocked more nutrients, further fueling our growing brains. Humans migrated out of Africa, spreading across the entire globe. They adapted to new climates, from frozen ice ages to tropical islands. The evolution of complex language allowed for unprecedented cooperation. Homo sapiens, our species, emerged with a unique, creative spark. This creativity led to better tools, symbolic art, and complex cultures. Around 12,000 years ago, another climate shift created a new opportunity. Humans began to domesticate plants and animals. The agricultural revolution. Farming created food surpluses, allowing for specialized jobs. Villages grew into towns, and towns grew into the first cities. Civilization was born, along with writing, laws, and government. The invention of the wheel and sailing ships connected the world. Empires rose and fell, pushing technology and knowledge forward. The scientific revolution transformed our understanding of the universe. We learned that we are not the center of the universe. The Industrial Revolution gave us power over the physical world. We harnessed the power of steam, electricity, and the atom. In the 20th century, we left our planet for the first time. We saw our world from the outside, a fragile blue marble. The digital revolution connected humanity in a global network. We have decoded our own genome, the blueprint of our existence. So why do we exist? Because of a long chain of improbable events. A universe with the right laws for stars and planets to form. A star that was stable enough for billions of years. A planet that was the right size in the right place. A moon that was large enough to stabilize our tilt and seasons. The random evolution of a self-replicating molecule in the ocean. A series of mass extinctions that cleared the way for new life. The evolution of a large brain, capable of complex thought. And the development of tools, language, and cooperation. Break any one link, and we would not be here to ask the question. We are the product of 13.8 billion years of cosmic evolution. The universe's way of briefly becoming conscious of itself.